You're on your computer. You click right click. You click new. You go down to folder. And then you can name it whatever, like, I don't know, PB. And then you right click on here. Click new. You go down to text document. You click that. You can name it whatever, like PB again. And then and here you start off by writing HTML. Then you will write title, whatever your title is, like PB. And then you end it off like this. Boom. Then you got a body, whatever it is, like teaching PB. And you always end it with the same thing, except with a /. That's the end. Or actually, let's add a heading. This is fine. And then you end it off, guess, with a /, same thing. And then, I don't know, you want to add a vertical line. Boom, boom. It's vertical line. You want to add a paragraph. You want to say, this is one way. Yeah, one way. Okay. And then you're like, okay, done. Then you write /HTML/. And then you go to File, Save As. And you can name it whatever it is, .html. Then here you click all files, and then make sure that is UTF-8, and then you click save, and boom, that should come up. And when you double click it, there it is, teaching PB, this is fun, this is one way. And whenever you come here, say you're like teaching wait, why is this so big? Body, heading 1. Why is the heading 1 so small? Whatever. Oh yeah, because this is supposed to be, it goes heading 1 and then HR, and then boom, you put that. Let's not end body all the way there. We'll have that, body, boom, boom, and then you can hit Control S, or you can hit File, Save, and then here you click Reload, and boom. Title is PB, so PB is up there. Teaching PB, heading 1 is This is Fun, so it's up there. The HR is the horizontal line, and the body is teaching PB, paragraph, this is one way, and that's the end, and boom. So just hit File, Save, Reload, whatever else you add, and yeah, so you can do like that, and then you can hit Control S or File, Save, come here, and then hit Control Reload, and boom, there's not. BR means break, or if you want to make this bold, you hit B, boom, and remember to end it with a bold. So boom, and then you hit Control S or File, Save. Click that Save, and then Reload, and boom, there it is. And yeah, you can underline it, and basically in the paragraph the homework is you gotta be like, I'm TB, I have a leg, but you don't just hit enter like I just did. Instead, you go back, you write whatever, but in between each sentence you have to write BR, right? You're like, I'm PB, exclamation mark. I have a leg, ... not, why is there B? Oh yeah, that's bold. And you're like, and then you're like, break, let me do the break. actually have 2. And then you always go up there. Wait, now you have to end it with this P/P. Boom. And then you click File, you click Save, or Control S always, and boom. I am PB, I have a leg, now I actually have 2. There it is, and that's the tutorial.